Yo guys, back again with another video. This one is to Anne-Marie, KSI and Digital Farm Animals Don't Play. KSI has been leaving little teasers on his Instagram and Twitter all week, so let's waste no more time, let's get into these.
Feels hit me differently.
I was just training because
when the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently.
It's got that vibe.
When the hidden is deep, don't play.
If you watch the KSI Logan Paul fight, you'd understand. You'd understand why he's doing that. Wow. Not teaching the normal way, just wild as hell. It worked for him before he got the dub, didn't
he? Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah.
All that time on your own with me, we had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV, still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the scent on you. Coco Chanel.
Okay, JJ. You have to give his man credit. I know people are like, it's KSI, but give him credit. He sounds decent. We're wheeling it. We're wheeling it again, guys.
Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah.
All that time on your own with me, we had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV, still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the scent on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. And you're hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games, don't.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Literally just quit YouTube for no reason. Some technical issues.
On your own with me, we had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV, still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed.
Sorry guys, bear with.
on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're on.
Sounds like sleep.
But still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you're doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Play it, yeah, play it, yeah. Play it, yeah, play it, yeah.
Alright, Jesus. Okay. What's going on? Let's get that off. What a tune. Can't lie, that's I think that might be better than the Craig David one, if I'm honest. I'll definitely get played on the radio. It's a shame, obviously, we're in lockdown. COVID's a thing, otherwise that'll be a club banger, so hopefully when they do end up back open, that's getting played. As I said in my last KSI reaction, you've got to give the guy credit when he's improving. I know there's YouTubers shouldn't be doing this and that, but credit where credit's due, he's improving and he's actually like becoming like known as an artist rather than a YouTuber. So that's it for me, guys. Any other things you want me to react to, let me know in the comment section or on socials. Till next time, guys. Peace.